Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kev Shakar and I am foundation level student at Rehan School Affiliate Campus, Islamabad. Today I am going to talk about a fascinating word that we use almost every day, robot. But have you ever wondered where the word robot actually came from? The word robot has a very interesting history. Surprisingly, it did not originally come from computers, artificial intelligence, or modern technology. The word robot comes from the Czech language. It was first introduced to the world through a Czech play called RUH, written by Czech writer Karel Čapek and published in 1920. The title RUR stand for Rossum's Universal Robots. In the play, robots are not exactly like the robots we imagine today. They are artificial world created to perform difficult and repetitive jobs for humans. The word robot was connected to the Czech word robota, which means forced labor, hard work, or compulsory service. So, originally, the word robot was strongly connected with the idea of a worker who performs difficult labor. But how did this simple word become connected with the amazing machines we see today? Over the year, the meaning of the word robot changed as technology developed. People began creating machines that could perform tasks automatically. Factories started using robot machines to assemble cars, move material, weld parts, and perform other repetitive jobs. Robot become after stronger and more precise than human in many specific tasks. They came another major development, computer and artificial intelligence. Modern robots can use sensor cameras, computer programs, and sometimes artificial intelligence to understand their surroundings and perform complicated tasks. Today, robots can be found in many different places. They are used in factories, hospitals, laboratories, warehouses, farms, and even in space exploration. Some robots can help doctor during surgery. Some can explore dangerous environments, some can clean our homes, and some can even communicate with people. But there is an important difference between a traditional machine and an intelligent robot. A simple machine may perform one specific task again and again. An advanced robot can be sensor and software to respond to its environment and make decisions within the limits of its programming. This brings us to an interesting question: could robot one day become more intelligent than humans? Artificial intelligence is developing very quickly. Today, AI system can understand language, recognize images, generate content, solve problems, and assist people with many different tasks. However, robots and AI are still tools created and controlled by humans. The history of the word robot reminds us that technology is not only about machines; it is also about human ideas, languages, creativity, and imagination. Think about it, a word that originally described hard labor in Czech literature eventually become one of the most famous words in modern technology, from a Czech play in 1920 to robots exploring space in the 21st century. The journey of the word robot is truly amazing. So the next time you hear the word robot, remember that behind this simple word is a story of literature, literature, language, technology, and human imagination. The world may have started with the idea of hard work, but today robots represent something much bigger: innovation, discovery, and the future. So, viewers, this is my short documentary. Hopes you like it. Meet it in your next video. Khuda Hafiz.